Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 58,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, external temperature display, power sunroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, power windows, and window defogger.